Hi everybody, I'm Mom and I welcome you all to MomDas Live Handmade. Today I'm bringing before you very quick and easy DIYs using items that you have at home to decorate any space in your home in the cheerful combination of colors of red, white and blue. Today I'm participating in the DIY challenge that is being hosted by Heidi Sonboul. I'll put link to Heidi's channel and to the playlist that she has created for the month in the description box of this video. If you're new here, I love to do a lot of DIYs, trash to treasures, high-end dupes, pick up something ordinary and give it a new purpose and a beautiful look. Everything that is related to home within budget, and if you love such content, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button given below the video and to hit that little bell icon so that you're notified each time I post my video. For this DIY, I have taken this cardboard box which was part of a sweet or a chocolate box, and it's a sturdy cardboard box. So I've taken this, and this is in rectangular shape, but I want to give it the shape of a house. So first thing I did was I marked the center point here. I measured and marked the center point, and from the top I marked 3 inches on either side. Then I'm going to draw a line joining these two. So now I have this house shape here. Now using an X-Acto knife, I'm going to cut here around this edge which joins this vertical portion with the flat surface, this much and till this point only. I want to separate this part from the base part in this house shape, and also cut this part in the middle like this. Now at this point I wanted to fold, so I'm keeping my ruler here and forcing this cardboard up like this. Similarly here I'm keeping the ruler at this edge and forcing it. So now I have it like this. I'll mark and cut off the extra. This is the extra part. I'll take it off. Similarly on this side. Now here I have cut right till the midline and cut straight off. I'm going to add some glue on this edge and hold this together like this. And with this piece, I have not taken out the outer paper, I just removed the inside cardboard. So this is an extra flap that was formed by this piece that was therein. So this will give me a seamless attachment. So once I attach this, I'll bring this piece together and will hold it together like this, so that once the glue sets in, it will look like one piece and will have a very seamless look to it. So once this was secured with the shape as I desired, I decided to add some white cardstock paper around this edge, the whole edge, so this not only gets some strength but also gets a good look as well. So I'm doing it in all white because I want the white shine and the gold outside. Now I've taken a white paper and I've drawn some lines, straight lines, using a ruler and pencil, and these lines are all 1 centimeter apart, and using some acrylic paint in red, I'm going to make some stripes here like grain sack types. One can definitely use stencils or have them printed out, but I prefer to hand paint them. Now taking this piece, I'll place it over this and trace the outline like this and cut it out, and then I'll just paste this paper right in the center of this. Now this is done. I keep it aside, and I have taken a thin piece of cardboard. It's a sturdy but a thinner piece of cardboard, and I have drawn with a pencil a 5-sided star. So now I'll cut this 5-sided star out with a pair of scissors. Now that I have this star I have made sure that it fits in easily within this window or a box. Now I have some scraps of jeans fabric in dark blue and pale blue. So I'm going to cut the scraps of denim or jeans and cover this star. I'm just going to cut them into shape. They don't fray. Jeans threads don't pull out and fray that bad. So I don't have to worry about frayed edges. Even if they are there, they would look nice. So I'm just going to cut with maybe the deep blue will look much nicer against the white background. I'm just going to cut it into the shapes, mark it and cut it, and glue over this to get a deep blue star. I think this pale blue, if one prefers the pale blue, can use it or use two in a combination, but I think this dark blue will stand out very well here. Just tidying up the edges. So here is the front, and it's in nice deep blue denim, and I can make it stand here like this. I think this would look beautiful as a decor. For this next quick DIY, I've taken a cardboard box. It was part of an electronic device. It's a small box and sufficient enough size to hold some of the flowers. Now these are the flowers that I had in hand. They have this bluish color in them, so I'm using them. And this is a strip of paper that I painted with red stripes. Now you can use either combination, either red and white ribbon or a strip of paper like this with blue flowers, or you can do the reverse, white and blue combination, a ribbon or paper strip with red flowers. I'm using these flowers which are in this blue colors, roses. One can use hydrangea or anything one pleases. Now I'm also using this thermocol piece. Now one can even use florist foam for this. So basically I need to know the size which would fit into this. Now once I've cut this piece of thermocol, or one can use florist foam, as I said, just push it in so that it sits in. Now this not only gives this height from the floor, but also gives a support or a place where I can prick and add these flowers in easily. They will stand very easily. So now I just painted this using some brush and acrylic paint, the way I did in my previous project here, the first project. And now I'm just going to attach it here. Using a clear tape. Now here is my red and white box ready. Now I will just fill in this flowers in this box and it will be ready. These DIYs were super quick, so easy, and I believe everyone would agree that everyone can make it at home and need not rush out for supplies either. How did you like my today's DIYs? Do let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share the video and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much everybody for your time, and I'll see you very soon in the next DIY, in the next video. Until then, be positive, be creative and be happy.